Oke, kita akan mengeksplor learning path in progress and creativity in the classroom. Creativity in the classroom. Okay. Yup. Check it out. Creativity in the classroom. Getting orientation scholarship and inclusive classroom foundation. For creativity. Classroom. Factors. To find 3D.
The interface is simple yet powerful just when you with our top bars and objects, 3D options, and 3D. The Canvas tab is where you can control the 3D objects. In the this toolbar contains the select across the design. This handles around your select. You will find several additional edit content around the canvas. Simply click off the selection to implement. Turn the 3D space separate from the canvas. That can be button press crop to act, which intelligently selects content from some additional controls. And Crayon have authentic looking texture. You can use to polish.
How to manipulate 3D model.
Now enables tool and clicking directly on a model. Once selected, a bound form scaling from the top handle enables. You will spin the model. Temporarily, delete enables you to select multiple effects. All that they will be treated as one object unless you choose to color. It's easy to use the adjustment tools in 3D. Remix 3D is our online 3D library where you can share feedback, or within the file menu, you will find the option to position and rotate your scene to create the perfect thumbnail. You can also set the environment. Next, give it a go and the model has uploaded. It is available to d.com.
Very good. Okay, question 1. You can only add 2D text in Paint. Yes. Only add. Where can you find 3D models that have already been created? Already have been, yeah, 3D library. Okay. And then 3D lines can be converted into 3D line. I think it's 3D is only available with Windows 10. Once a texture has been placed on your design, you can stamp it and continue and add more texture. You can stamp. Okay. Next, 3D can be used in the following area: creativity, problem solving, composition. All. You are only able to use Paint 3D with Surface Paint. With Surface Paint. Oh no. Because no, it's Surface Paint. No, maybe you can hide the canvas by selecting which of the following. Did you do the right? Yeah. can hide the canvas. So canvas, yeah. Okay. Where you can find and add your own sticker. Your own sticker. Sticker texture, custom sticker. Your own sticker, custom sticker, yeah. Rank 3D filter with the following: video, camera, capture, model location, yeah. Okay. Use result, blah blah blah. Next course. Okay. Understand. Windows 10. Percentage of Windows 10 for learning. Okay.
As an amazing platform in a school, students. No, well, I know where to access applications that left side find.
One. Here I can see incoming notifications and get to settings I use often. I'm sharing my
Get tasks. Let me see what's open on my device. I can close applications from here, dates from open applications.
gradebook and staff teams open on a second desktop while displaying my class team and directions for my students. With Windows, can have more understand student knowledge at the start of our Habitat study. Because the Kahoot Play app is available in the Microsoft Store for of our see both their website where it was drawn, their understanding of the calculations. As contacts in my pocket using the OneNote app from my phone, or handouts they receive reader functions in OneNote and other.
Improving access.
Contextualizing knowledge, e-learning way to clear away visual distractions and assist my students with focusing, and my students by some of the side content. Using the reading view in Microsoft Edge with the page theme URL like this. When my students select the link, it automatically to customization. Using the Gutenberg library, I found text spacing and the page theme to individualize the reading experience in
and browsing and can use them. Web notes, highlight key vocabulary, and make notes of cultural similarities and differences. This is particularly useful in touch-enabled devices that leverage Windows 10 digital inking. To read and take notes, I find all my saved articles in the reading list. This is a great time saver and a wonderful way to organize for use later for an upcoming with the Windows Creators Update to the web pages I'll need for my lesson, and I open when the time comes to select one Edge with or setup is needed, and students can access a large list of languages and
Office 365 and Windows 10 applications students to collaborate alongside. The new I've heard teachers chatting the other day, and I world examples. Tower in Toronto. We can interact with this together, and then I use this to use our time efficiently. I created a spreadsheet and shared it with my colleagues. In Excel 2016, we can live edit the workbook. In my after-school of school routines, students will share classes about routines and expectations. Be productive. Connected to our network again, OneNote automatically syncs our creation, linking to their device with my colleague. Load efficiency with
unit. Ability to think in ink and connect these or the rest of the Instead of printing the PDF, the students open it in an app called Drawboard PDF to mark up the document. Because Drawboard PDF allows for real-time collaboration inside a PDF, students can work on this activity in pairs. Next, the teacher wanted the students to truly experience the way the heart moves and works. In the Synsavis app, the teacher can show the students an animation inking tool so invested in the sketchpad, the person shook the device. The teacher microbit to emit a loud beeping sound inside their class notebook collaboration space, giving them authentic devices through USB and save the code file to the device in just a few clicks. My colleague didn't have it. She simply started as a real product that could help people they knew. These powerful learning experiences are
time wise. I can type, speak, or ink any file itself. But projected to ask me, so I typed current world record marathon into the search box and chose search the web. This is one step results for fact-related features in Cortana. What's the weather for
15?
Follower. New ways to save time.
spatial thinking creates a specific audience. In this, my navigation guide. To create a chair, click on the cube icon, and from where this object goes from every object in my chair. You can enable me to backtrack. They can see exactly what I could see and create just about anything. And if
Microsoft to and access to support to acquire apps, manage purchases. My students math to life with maps.
Formative assessment.
practice, we want students going quick class. We're learning about assessment just to check for. Next, I added a. I want to make sure to be able to look them up. I simply visit the Microsoft Educator community and navigate to the Windows 10 Take a Test, Create a Test link page. I paste my forms URL into the space provided. I paste my forms URL into the space and take a test. Content until the quiz is complete. Once a student selects Submit, take a test for else.
under an hour.
Education USB drive with one and will become the settings for each device to allow keyboard. Once you reach the end of the setup wizard, you are ready for the second part of this process, a provision package on the USB drive. The last step is to insert the USB drive into the first student PC to be set up. Start with the drive and automatically install the package. You will get a prompt when is complete. Just think how many devices you could work through in an hour.
Uh, 20. Can you access application you use often? In the start menu, in the taskbar, scroll to okay. Over the teacher opens student direction in one place while keeping a gradebook and private email open in another. No desktop, I think. Split screen or no desktop. Oh, maybe split screen. Oh yeah. In the Windows Map application, you can draw a road and calculating distance between two locations. Yeah. The office line of the next, the React Alert filter item highlight text in a book as the words are spoken. True. True or false? True, I think. True. True. Yeah, spoken. It was created one that's I left me audio recording. I think. No, sorry. Only 3. Upload, I think. Yes. From the option mail, MySpace, or no Twitter. Oh, MySpace, no. Mail one, not Twitter. My code is person recording, so run that's recording, yes. That only, oh my god. No. Digital inking can be collaborated for this application, yeah. Cortana can be student older found. No? Huh? Oh my god. Oh, Cortana can set reminder and future. That's all, okay. So, set the word. No, or order copy. Sorry. Oh my god. Point 3D can help students practice their spatial reasoning skill. Yeah. Still on, yeah, and they can remove someone from next. Yeah. Because of tool for education allowed to use permission. Yeah, okay. Accurate application doesn't manage to pay. No. Pay. Oh. Oh my god. So, anyone with the license can access manage relationship can type. I can manage a link from okay. Quickly. Ah, acquire. Oh. No. Teacher can lock down student. Shut up. Take a test. Take a test. When student take a test, all the student can are locked down from doing anything else on the results. Yes. What? Sorry. Set up notification that allow use that device for student quickly. Oh my god. Ridiculous game. Click new desktop. Yes. Yeah. Accept audio recording. No. Yes. Click to upload. Go on there. No. Ah, my. Okay, this one. Only. Oh, false. Collaborate. Okay. This yeah, next. Yes. Next. Yes. Oh. Oh no. Take pass. Sorry. Locked on. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Start course. Okay. Yeah, Moodle. Okay. In your classroom. Oke, kita cobain ya.
It as an amazing platform for students. No.
It's good to me.
Your start menu can be managed.
At the start, Betty. Aquarium. Using the measure distance tool, we drop to the zoo. The Maps app displays the distance of our route so we can determine if motorized transportation is necessary for this field trip. While reading about
why can it be beneficial for students to work with digital? What is the key difference in digital skill? How can working with solution? It's important to look at the student solution. How can digital storage help our attention? Like fitting. How can you help students know something? Like helping letting them explore the concept. How does exploring the regarding online video lecture? Increase their performance. Which three different ways? What possibility do teacher get by recording their own silent video and sending? Can we update it here? Oh, yeah. Poor student.
Create.
People laugh, and I didn't.
I will probably be held back again. It highlights the words that it's reading and so I job, Joey.
When technology and education come together,
opens up options.
And away.
As well as the color. To see syllables are soft edge brush icon in the spacing of the audio.
A wrinkle in time. A lot. The Parent's Guide to What's in This Book.
The voice. And beard part of John. Colorist and color. Narrow used with the space exactly how you would like. These are a few ways that the
Great confident team.
to find learning the amount of spacing between text shows the breakdown of syllables within a document. Read aloud to move
And her father,
which it is
so dry.
Hear what was written. Go back to the view menu and
Office lines.
Now, Office Lens can turn photos of documents and whiteboard drawings into Word on OneDrive devices. Out PowerPoint remove.
co-authoring on Word documents or
Immersive reader is available on what one Office Lens. Oh my god. Full emails I should buy unexpected phone. Only unexpected no. High contrast remote increased color presentation. See yeah. Picture okay PDF OneNote Excel Excel no tool only include student with disabilities, not all student. Co-authoring Allah to edit the only that will create the transcript of PowerPoint presentation is to ensure that all users can access content. You should run with tool accessibility checker. Focus access allow a choice on notification that is being choose what to keep in their focus. If you conversion can increase comprehension. Increase result. Yeah. Oh ini gak habis-habis nih kursnya. Udah ya. Ini kursnya udah berjalan berapa menit nih? Banyak. Satu lagi ya.
instantaneous deliver room. I like to feel different from the beginning. Something I type or result for killer. On the top right, there's much spell checking. As I look through this document, I can see that I have other words underlined, possible word choice, that it is the correct synonyms for the correct student improved. I'm going to show you some strategies that insert the picture, a pane opens and gives me design ideas. That's the preset title, so that when using a screen reader, Office 3 Teachers often use PowerPoint to present new information to students, as well as color blindness. The new link gallery in PowerPoint, I can view my paper in Office Lens for your phone or mobile device that turns this book into technology and getting the best image. Note that for images meaningful to a user, Skype, students compromise. Instant
heading in Word help the writer stay organized. A large screen reader. What? Yes. Next. Editor is much more robust to spell check. It can suggest sketch errors such as oh no wow. Listening in Word can be citation mirror can be yes. I'll check what is that? Screen reader. When it come across the command, yeah. 4. What key of the screen reader will read item on the power slide? On the power slide. This one. Oh my god, tab. Color shirt E. Sometimes. Never. When using table in OneNote is an important tool. One good way to ensure that Chrome will have accessibility aspect will economically improve them is to use template. Teacher can turn print material into editable material with Office Lens. The transaction for requires speaking document. Okay. Yes. Quiz result. Yeah. Next course. Oke, satu lagi lah. Oh. Complete. Oh, Wendy. Oh my god. So, this is okay. There is a explore learning thread. Okay, thank you for your attention. And I think I want to get Office this one OneNote. This one. I think this one. Office Academy and OneNote Teacher Academy. I want this.